working? Yep. Where the hell did it go? There it is. Alright. Okay. Alright, Ratsun. This is what I've got. I hate this webcam. Got my little... Pulled out the ignition switch. Why is that really? Let's try this. There we go. That's a little better. It's still crap, but whatever. Got the ignition switch out of the Z. And the terminals that I have it on right now is S and B. As far as I understand, that should be the starter and the battery. So when I turn it, yeah, other than that little catch right there, now that's back to what should be the run position. Makes contact, a little bit of a loss there, but you know, other than that little gap, seems to sound pretty good. Well, I'm assuming that my computer is connected to the ignition line, because if I connect this to the accessory, see, while it's running, while it's in the run position or the on position, you know, it's there, but since it's the accessory, when you turn the key, it stops, which doesn't do anybody any good, because if I had my computer plugged into that one, it would mean that the computer shut off every time I hit the starter, and well, the car wouldn't run. So there's also resistor, but resistor, the R terminal, resistor also only works when the key is turned. So we go back to the ignition, which you can hear there, and see the key is now in the run position. It's not in the start, but I'm going to turn it here. You can just hear how nasty, and whatever the contact in there is in there, it's completely just trashed. So hopefully this will fix the problem. Hopefully this will fix the problems I'm having with the starter clicking and not doing anything, even though it's the ignition line and not the ignition terminal and not the starter terminal itself that's giving me the problems. But hopefully a new one of these, if I can track one down in the morning, will do it. What do you guys think? So, all right, end.